Do you have scratches like this? Remove them safely and permanently by hand with the Farecla G3 Pro Scratch Remover Kit. It is part of the G3 Pro's Restore range, designed to remove defects from paintwork. And the compound is an improved formulation from our already multi-award winning original scratch remover. It can be used safely on a variety of surfaces such as cars, bikes and caravans. When you first open the box, you'll find a QR code to our website. This page contains information about the scratch remover, including a video showing how to use the product and the results it will give you. In the box there are 3 items: a 100ml tube of G3 Pro Scratch Remover containing a VOC-free abrasive compound with no fillers for safe permanent scratch removal, and the tube is 100% recyclable. There is a G3 Pro white waffle applicator to assist in the speed and efficiency of polishing. This pad is made from a high-performing polyurethane grade of foam with a high tensile strength. Lastly, we have the edgeless low-lint microfiber cloth. Made from a blend of polyester and polyamide fibres, it offers softness, superior absorbency and durability, ideal for delicate and heavy-duty use alike. Together, these products remove or help reduce the appearance of most common surface scratches, leaving a permanent glossy finish. Check out g3pro.com for surface solutions and more about the G3 Pro range.